Hello everyone, in this video we have to find the value of a and b if a square minus b equals to 91, b square minus a equals to 91 and a not equals to b. Solution will be, here we have been given that a square minus b equals to 91. Let's say this equation 1. Also we have b square minus a equals to 91. Let's say this equation 2. Now on subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get equation 1 is a square minus b equals to 91. Equation 2 is b square minus a equals to 91. Since we have to subtract, we will change the sign of equation 2. So b square will be now minus b square, minus a will be now plus a, and 91 will be minus 91. This equals to a square minus b square plus a minus b equals to 91 minus 91 will be 0. This equals to a square minus b square plus a minus b equals to 0. Now using algebraic identity, a square minus b square equals to a minus b times a plus b. So we can write a square minus b square as a minus b times a plus b plus a minus b equals to 0. Now in these two terms, common factor is a minus b, a minus b. So taking out common factor from these two terms, we can write this as a minus b times a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. So either a minus b equals to 0 or a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. Since a not equals to b, so we will reject a minus b. Now subtracting 1 on both sides, we can write this as a plus b plus 1 minus 1 equals to 0 minus 1. Here and here 1 will be subtracted by 1. This equals to a plus b equals to minus 1. Let's say this equation 3. Now on adding equation 1 and equation 3, we get equation 1 is a square minus b equals to 91. Equation 3 is a plus b equals to minus 1. This equals to a square plus a, here minus b and b will be subtracted, equals to 91 minus 1 will be 90. Now subtracting 90 on both sides, we can write this as a square plus a minus 90 equals to 90 minus 90. Here and here 90 will be subtracted by 90. This equals to a square plus a minus 90 equals to 0. Now we will factorize this by splitting the middle term. Since 10 times minus 9 equals to minus 90 and 10 minus 9 equals to 1, we can write a as 10a minus 9a. So we can write this equation as a square plus 10a minus 9a minus 90 equals to 0. Now in these two terms common factor is a, so taking out common factor from these two terms we can write this as a times a plus 10. Now in these two terms common factor is minus 9, so taking out common factor from these two terms we can write this as minus 9 times a plus 10 equals to 0. Now in these two terms common factor is a plus 10, a plus 10. So taking out common factor from these two terms we can write this as a plus 10 times a minus 9 equals to 0. Therefore a plus 10 equals to 0 or a minus 9 equals to 0. Now subtracting 10 on both sides in this equation we can write this as a plus 10 minus 10 equals to 0 minus 10. Here and here 10 will be subtracted by 10. This equals to a equals to minus 10. Now here in this equation adding 9 on both sides we can write this as a minus 9 plus 9 equals to 0 plus 9. Here and here 9 will be subtracted by 9. This equals to a equals to 9. Now we have two cases, a equals to minus 10 and a equals to 9. So case 1, when a equals to minus 10, substituting a equals to minus 10 in equation 3 we get equation 3 is a plus b equals to minus 1. This equals to, we will put the value of a here, that is minus 10. We can write this as minus 10 plus b equals to minus 1. Now adding 10 on both sides we can write this as minus 10 plus b plus 10 equals to minus 1 plus 10. Here and here 10 will be subtracted by 10. This equals to b equals to minus 1 plus 10 will be 9. Therefore when a equals to minus 10, b equals to 9. Now in case 2, when a equals to 9, substituting a equals to 9 in equation 3 we get equation 3 is a plus b equals to minus 1. Now putting value of a 9 here we can write this as 9 plus b equals to minus 1. Now subtracting 9 on both sides we can write this as 9 plus b minus 9 equals to minus 1 minus 9. Here and here 9 will be subtracted by 9. This equals to b equals to minus 1 minus 9 will be minus 10. Therefore when a equals to 9, b equals to minus 10. Therefore we have two solutions for A and B. One is -10 and 9 and other is 9 and -10. This is our final solution.